Hi everyone, today with me I have this pack of 2 rechargeable work lights, and whether you work in the dark or you want to light up your super dark scary storage room like I want to, check out these lights. They are super powerful and check it out. The bottom is magnetic so you can connect it to any metal surface, and right here there's a built-in clip. It is super cool. You don't actually have to add a hook. It comes with a hook and you can go ahead and hook it up anywhere you want. This is so helpful, and then you can tuck it away whenever you don't need it. I also love that this can change angles and move around as you wish. It can change at 360, look at that, so you can really get the best angle for you whenever you need it. And there's only one button to operate it, which makes it super easy. So clicking one of the buttons will light up one of the lights, clicking a second time will light up the other light, and clicking again will light up both lights. One more time to turn it off. You're also going to get the little cables to recharge it and a manual as well. And to recharge it, you have the little silicone hid away right here, so it hides where to charge it, which makes it super protective. I absolutely adore this and definitely recommend you guys to check this out on Amazon and get one for you too.